Hey guys, welcome to Just Gadgets. In this video I am going to show you some awesome and coolest gadgets on Amazon, which will be useful in your daily life. And all products link are in description. If you like any product, check out description. So let's start the video. LOGITECH LITRA Glow. Natural skin tones, radiant look. LOGITECH's True Soft technology delivers balanced, full-spectrum LED light with cinematic color accuracy. Wide, flattering light. LITRA Glow's frameless diffuser radiates wide, soft light that flatters the subject and eliminates harsh shadows in any setting, providing flawless webcam lighting. Safe for all-day streaming. Whether gaming, podcasting or broadcasting, LITRA Glow Adjustable LED Light has cleared even the strictest UL testing guidelines for all-day streaming. Freedom of light placement. Patent pending, 3-way monitor mount with adjustable height, tilt, and rotation for precise light positioning on your desktop computer or laptop. Fine-tune your on-camera look. Adjustable brightness and color temperature settings help you quickly achieve the video look you want, from warm candlelight to cool blue. Quickly access your favorite settings. Use Logitech's free G-Hub desktop app to control the USB webcam light's brightness, color temp, on, off, and load, save presets. Portable plug-and-play design. The USB-powered, lightweight design makes LITRA Glow the ultimate light for streamers and content creators. NOVETO N1 speaker. Loud stereo sound and powerful bass deliver surprisingly loud and well-balanced sound with virtually no distortion through 2 drivers and our proprietary technology. Enjoy up to 25-watt room-filling sound with punchy bass, strong midranges, and crisp highs. Pump up the bass with a long press of the X bass button. Pair 2 speakers together via Bluetooth to play the same music in perfect sync, double the volume, and create an immersive stereo sound experience. IPX7 waterproof and rugged design. Being IPX7 waterproof, this wireless Bluetooth speaker is protected against rain, spills, and splashes and can even survive submersion in up to 3.3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Engineered to withstand bumps and drops, the outdoor speaker in a rounded triangular prism shape is more durable than others and compact enough to hold. Perfect for using in house parties or taking to pool parties, beach parties, barbecues, biking, hiking, camping, etc. Up to 24 hours playtime using the latest battery cell technology for high-end electric vehicles. This portable Bluetooth speaker can run up to 24 hours on a single charge. You can disable the multicolor lights and the tapping feature to suit your needs and extend the battery life. The actual playtime varies by volume level, audio content, and use. Optional sound effects and colorful light. Get the party started with crisp and clear sound, and rock the party with optional sound effects and multicolor flashing lights. Tapping different sides of the base Bluetooth speaker will generate different sound effects. You can tap to add sounds of nature, drums, or other instruments to the music. The multicolor LED lights and 2 speaker lights will sync to the beat of the music to create a pulsing light show. ARLO Video Doorbell. ARLO's wired security doorbell camera lets you see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with a 180-degree view. Get a clearer picture. HD with HDR quality footage from your video camera ensures you see the details on your devices even in low light or bright conditions. Respond quickly. Hear and speak to visitors at your wired doorbell camera with clear 2-way audio, or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. Smarter alerts, quicker action. Get ARLO's secure plan for your security cameras to receive notifications for people, vehicles, and packages, so you can react quickly, right from your phone. Never miss a moment. See what triggered a motion before anyone tries to ring the doorbell. With ARLO Foresight, the security camera captures video prior to every motion-triggered video recording, so you don't miss out. See who's there even at night with night vision to help you get a clear picture of whom's at your door even when it's dark. Reliable security, no matter the weather. The weather-resistant outdoor security camera is built and certified to withstand the heat, cold, rain. Wake Cup self-cleaning water bottle. LED technology to sanitize water and clean the inner surfaces of the bottle by neutralizing bacteria such as E. coli. Brilliantly clean water in 60 seconds. Works at the touch of a button and self-cleans by intelligently activating every 2 hours to keep your bottle fresh and stink-free. Keep your cool, or keep things toasty. A double-wall vacuum-insulated and stainless steel bottle keeps your water cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Long-lasting power. USB rechargeable Li polymer battery gives you self-cleaning power for up to a month on a full charge. Hillucky outdoor portable power bank with 4 solar panels, 25,000 mAh high capacity. The solar power bank charges up 8 to 10 times for your phone and 3 to 4 times for your tablet, and it can be used for 9 days on average per charge. 4 large solar panels. This solar charger comes with 4 high-performance solar panels that can reach 6W in direct sunlight to keep your phone up and running even in places without electricity. Dual fast charging USB outputs. The solar phone charger can charge 2 devices simultaneously at 2.1 a high speed. Auto-detect your device's current to pair the optimal output, protecting your devices from overcurrent, overcharge, overheat and short circuit. Built for outdoors. Rugged construction is dust, shock and splash resistant. You can hang it on a backpack or put it in a bag when camping, hiking. Built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes, perfect for power outages and other emergencies. 2 recharging ways. The solar power charger can be charged not only by sunlight, but also by the USB cable we provided, which is very convenient for daily use. Aventry Taurus wearable wireless neck speaker. Hands-free, without hearing to enjoy music always with you and look at your surroundings without wires getting in the way. Put the speakers on your shoulder and immerse yourself in the sound. Unlike headphones, this wireless Bluetooth collar speaker reduces pressure on your head and ears. High-quality 3D sound experience. Full-range speaker on both sides of the speaker neck around your ear to create 3D cinema quality sound. It features an aptX low-latency codec that eliminates lip-sync lag for watching TV, movies when used with an aptX LL certified Bluetooth transmitter such as the Aventry Oasis Plus. Ideal for music. Proprietary aptX HD processing preserves audio data during audio transmission, resulting in a better than CD listening experience. Pair with your mobile device and listen to music in HD. Ergonomically designed. The lightweight wireless neck speaker gently wraps around your neck and rests on your shoulders, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit during long use or while relaxing. Retractable built-in headphones. Designed with built-in retractable headphones as an alternative use option. If you want privacy and don't want to disturb others, switch to headphones. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. This mug has longer-lasting battery. Extended battery life on your temperature control mug keeps your drink perfectly hot for up to 1.5 hours on a full charge or all day on the newly redesigned charging coaster. Choose the exact temperature you prefer, between 120 degrees Fahrenheit 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And this mug is also app-controlled. Ember Smart Mug allows you to control with your smartphone. Pair with the Ember app to set your temperature, customize presets, receive notifications and more. You can also use this mug without the app. Ember Mug is functional without connection to the app and will remember last used temperature. Out of the box, the Ember Mug is set to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Automatic auto sleep feature. Ember Heated Mug intelligently senses when to turn on and off. The mug enters sleep mode when empty or after 2 hours of inactivity. Ember wakes up when it senses movement or liquid. And the video ends here. If you want to watch more videos, then click any video of them. And if you enjoyed this video, so tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for great content and enjoy more. See you soon.